Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to change username on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and then go to Profile. Now, go to Edit Profile. Tap on Username. If you're changing it for the first time, you should be able to do it from here. But if not, then go back and go to Profile, then tap on Menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and select Report a Problem. Go to Account and Profile. Expand Editing Profile and select Unable to change username. Select No and then describe your problem in the box. After you're done, just submit. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.